All right, let's pull back the curtain on something that's so deeply woven into our daily lives, we barely even notice it's there: artificial intelligence.
So, let me just start with a question. Did you know that you interact with AI, not just once in a while, but constantly, every single day? A lot of the time, you probably don't even realize it's happening.
And look, we're not talking about some far-off future with robots and flying cars. This isn't science fiction anymore. AI is here, and it's in your life, right now. And maybe the easiest place to see it in action is that little device you probably have with you right now. Yep, it all starts the second you pick up your phone.
Think about unlocking your phone. You know that split second where it just recognizes you? That's AI. It's this incredibly smart algorithm that's learned the unique map of your face, and it scans and matches it in an instant. It's like having your own personal, seamless security guard.
Or what about when you say, "Hey Siri" or "Okay Google"? That's not just some simple voice recording being played back. There's a really powerful AI in the background deconstructing your speech, figuring out what you actually mean, and then carrying out the command. It's technology that's literally designed to understand human language.
And if you've ever used a navigation app to get around, well, you've got an AI copilot. It's doing so much more than just showing you a map. It's analyzing a massive amount of data in real time: road conditions, accidents, rush hour patterns, to predict traffic and constantly find you the absolute fastest route.
Okay, so let's zoom out from just your phone and look at the web. Because out here, AI is pretty much the invisible force that shapes your entire online world.
I mean, have you ever finished a show or a video and just thought, wow, how did it know I wanted to watch that next? How do these platforms get so good at reading your mind?
Well, that magic is actually a recommendation engine powered by AI, and it's always learning. It's paying attention to what you watch, how long you watch it, what you like, and just as important, what you decide to skip. It uses all of that to build a taste profile that's so specific to you, it completely changes how you find new things to watch.
And you see the exact same thing on social media, right? When you're scrolling, it doesn't feel like a random list of posts. It feels more like a personalized magazine made just for you. Why is that?
You guessed it, it's AI again. There's an algorithm deciding what to show you based on what you've liked in the past and who you interact with. It's basically building a feed that it thinks will keep you the most engaged.
This whole process even follows you when you're shopping online. The moment you search for something, an AI starts learning. It sees what you click, what you put in your cart, and what you buy. And from all that, it starts predicting what else you might like, serving up recommendations that feel, well, almost a little too perfect sometimes.
And honestly, the list just goes on and on. That spam filter that keeps your inbox from being a total mess, AI detecting patterns, that little chatbot that pops up on a website to answer your questions at 2 in the morning, that's AI. And your smart home device that knows to adjust the temperature, yep, AI again. So, when you take a step back and look at all these different things together, a really interesting picture starts to form. These aren't just a bunch of separate, random tools.
This is really the best way to think about it. It's like you have this invisible, personal assistant that's constantly learning your habits, your routines, and your preferences, all to try and make your life just a little bit easier.
So the big takeaway here is this. AI isn't some technology that's coming someday. It's already here. It's the engine working quietly behind the scenes to make your everyday tasks faster, your information more useful, and your digital life feel totally personalized.
Which leaves us with a really fascinating thought to end on. Now that you can start to see it everywhere, what's next? What new problems will it solve for you? And where is this unseen companion going to show up in your life next?